Plants start out as tiny seeds. The seeds have tiny roots and leaves. They need three things to germinate: water, warmth, and a good locate. They use stored food to grow slowly out of the soil where we can see. Plants can